Hi there again everyone, this is again Allan and welcome back to my watercolor channel. Today I will be starting to upload a 3-video series of my unboxing experience brought by my art hall experiences from September 2020 to January 2021. And yeah, 9/9, 10/10, 11/11, 12/12 Christmas sales here and there. I wasn't able to resist. But I'm not complaining, I have no regrets. So the first video that I'll be uploading, this video, the one you're watching now, will be about the general watercolor art material. So I'll be having watercolor pads, watercolor brushes, a watercolor set, etc. The second video that I'll be uploading next will be about my mechanical pencils, clutch pencils collections. The third and last video will be about my fountain pen collection. I believe I was able to collect almost 3 dozens of fountain pens, so it's crazy and I'm so excited, so let's get it on. For our first unboxing session, I have here 8 packages and let's begin with the first one, which is a cutting mat. So that is a spoiler because I'm gonna use this as the base of our unboxing, and it is an Elfen A3 size cutting mat. I've been looking for an A3 sized cutting mat, and finally I found one at the Francis General Merchandise account from Lazada. By the way, I got these on September 2020 for 245 Philippine pesos or $5 US. It's a self-healing cutting mat. Here's now our cutting mat, and it has 2 faces. I think this is made in Thailand. Yep. So now let's use this as our base. There you go. Now for our next item, I have here some Simi Art products. So I have here a multifunctional bucket paint box, which is 315 Philippine pesos. Let me zoom in a bit. So it's covered in bubble wrap for protection. So here I have a foldable watercolor pot. So there you go. Need to pull it. Then here is the palette where you can put your paints. I think you can also put gouache paints here if you want to. There you go. So here is the mixing palette, and here are the slots for the paints. What's good about it is that it comes with a rubber lid so that your paints won't leak, and at the same time it will retain its moisture in case your paints are, easy drying paints. So this is the design, and obviously it's not aligned. I believe that is its real design, not a damage or something else. So you can put your paints here and stack it like that. And also I got a portable brush. It's a Mink-Hair, and it looks like a silver black velvet brush. It says it's Mink-Hair, and this is only 123 Philippine pesos or roughly less than $3 US. And by the way, the foldable bucket is 315 Philippine pesos or roughly 6.2 US, something. So here, and you can keep it like that. This reminds me very much of my silver black velvet brush, and I'm gonna compare it quickly visually. By the way, this one is size 1 and my silver black velvet is size 4. They're almost the same size. So yeah. The other brush that I got is a French artist nylon hair brush, but it's made in China also. It says here Aishake Art Brush China, and it's also size number 1, and I got it for only 159 Philippine pesos, or roughly only 3.1 or 0.2 US dollars. And because it's still new, it looks very fine, and I love the container of the French brush. Now our next item is kind of not different, but not the usual I unbox here on my channel. This is gum Arabic powder. It's 500 grams, and it's from Cornell PG at Shopee. And I got this for 300 Philippine pesos, or that's roughly 6 US dollars on September last year, 2020. And for those who do not know, gum Arabic is the primary ingredient in making watercolors, and I am studying how to make watercolor paints. I have purchased pigments also last year, but I wasn't able to document the unboxing because I was very excited. I have bought Kremer pigments, Atelier pigments, and Jackson Art pigments, and some of them are already here, some are still arriving, so I think I can do a separate not already an unboxing video of those pigments, but just to show my ingredients in my upcoming new project. So here, El Chemista Oil and Chemicals, I believe this is the brand. It says here gum Arabic 500 grams. So this is almost white. This is yeah, but when you mix it with water, it doesn't actually become very white. This is the gum Arabic from Holbein, and it looks like this when you mix it with water. Next item is the only watercolor set in this unboxing video. This is a Sakura Matte watercolors. I got their 12 color set, and each color is 5 ml. Got this for 390 Philippine pesos, or roughly 8 US dollars at Maki_art at Shopee, and got this on December 2020. I have been really curious about these paints ever since I saw them online, because it's made in Japan, so I have bit higher expectations when it comes to items from Japan, because they're known for making good quality items. And I asked the seller about the difference of this blue set with the green set, and he said the blue set is 5 ml while the green set is 15 ml. So yeah, that's the main difference, and I'm gonna be reviewing this year. I hope before Feb, but I think I have very little time to review it this month, but let's see. Now we have 4 remaining items, and all of these are paper products. So let's begin with the smallest one. So here I got a Tokyo Fines watercolor journal, and I got the green one. I got 2 mini paper pads from Tokyo Fines. I think this is just 2.5 by 3 inches something, I'm not sure. Let's see. And I got it from the Tokyo Fines official Shopee account. Shop Tokyo Fines is the name, and I got this on December for 378 Philippine pesos, or 7.7 US dollars. That's already 2 pads, and they're nicely packed. They're safely packed, and I got something here. I think this is a freebie. Oh wow, these are elastic bands. Are these for kids? For girls maybe? For tying hair, I think? Or for craft? I don't know. So it has a letter here. Everyone is a creative artist because creativity knows no bounds. Thank you for choosing Tokyo Fines. So yeah, thank you for your freebie. So here is the pad, the first pad. Let's see if it's unharmed. Yes, it seems that it is unharmed because of the nice packaging. And still it is wrapped in plastic. Let's open it too. And yeah, for those who are curious, this is also the same pad that I used for my watercolor month, World Watercolor Month challenge last July, but the size that I got there was a bigger one. I believe it was 5 by 8 something, and this is a smaller one obviously, and it's cute, and I can't wait to make another challenge using this. But there is like a divider in the center, but that's fine. And let's check also the other one. Yep. But it's weird, some pages have like line in the center, but when you color it, I think it will be gone and unnoticeable, so that's fine. By the way, the size here is 3.5 by 2.5 inches, 300 grams, 140 pounds, 20 sheets, and it's cold press watercolor journal. Now I have here a Baohong Academy pad, and this is 260 by 180 millimeters in size. This is 20 sheets, and that size is also 16K. And I got this for 555 Philippine pesos, so that's roughly $11 via dongxi.ph at Shopee Philippines. I'm gonna be opening it for you, but we need to be extra careful. I purchased this on September 2020, so if you are gonna be visiting the seller's site now, the price may have already changed. It got a little damage here because it's not wrapped in any protection other than the plastic. It doesn't have any bubble wrap or extra protection, but I can let that pass. I can forgive that. So there's again another protection here. It says open from this side, and this is the part where there's no glue because all the sides are glued. So you need a knife, a sort of a knife, to cut your sheets from here. And by the way, since this is the Academy watercolor pad, this is like their cheaper version of Baohong, or the student grade, I should say, because it's Academy. Although this is also 100% cotton. I also got their professional grade. This is the Baohong Artist's watercolor paper, and this is 100% cotton too, 20 sheets, and this time I got a 9 by 12.2 pad, and the texture is medium, and I got it at Weiwei.ph account at Shopee Philippines, but I believe this is overseas also, if I remember correctly. And this is 1,208 Philippine pesos, but I got it for 1,182 Philippine pesos because of, points, vouchers, and coins, and that is equivalent to around $24. So here is the size, and since these two papers are both cotton paper, 100%, both are 300 grams, it's good to compare them side by side. And yeah, I prefer the packaging though of this one from this seller, Weiwei, because it has a protective pouch. And yeah, but let's also check the pad for initial So here you go. We can have a preview, by the way. You can remove the first cover. here. Looks nice. But for the other one, we were not able to remove the first one. Okay, so it can be removed this way to see the first sheet. There you go. So here are those two sheets. And as of now, I can't see any obvious difference. I think the Academy is a little bit whiter. That's the only difference I see now. And we are gonna be comparing this one of these days, and I can't wait. And our final item is this package from Moleskine. It's an A3 pad, so I'm really excited about this because this is actually my first A3 pad. And what's good about it is that it's on sale from 2,670 Philippine pesos, or roughly 54.5 US dollars. I got it for only 1,869 Philippine pesos, or 38 US dollars. Imagine that. It's A3 size and it's Moleskine. I am seeing mixed reviews about this pad, but in my observation, I think I am gonna like this. A lot are complaining because it's not 300 grams, but I have many pads that are not 300 grams, but I am liking them because it's not only the weight that matters, but also the quality of the paper itself. And yeah, the materials, the way it's made, there are many other factors. By the way, I got these at the official Moleskine page at Shopee Philippines, so I'm sure it's legit, and it's very well packed also because it's Moleskine. It needs to be protected very well, and I'm not complaining because I want my pad to be protected during shipping. Sorry about that sound. See, the price is written there, 2,670, and I got it for 1,800. Wow, that's a steal. And I'm so happy to see that it has any dents or damages. It's absolutely fine. And so let me show you the specs. Here's the specs. It's 60 pages, 200 grams, 135 pounds paper, 25% cotton fiber, cold press. I've actually already planned what to do with this sheet. I am planning to do my watercolor 101 tutorial through this sketch pad. In case of loss, please return to as a reward. So there's a reward here. It's good. So the weight is not actually bad. I am wondering why people are complaining about it. Maybe yeah, you need to control the use of water more if you're using this. And yeah, I think it's good, and I can't wait. So now we are done with part 1 of our unboxing and unpacking video from our art haul on September to December 2020. And my next 2 unboxing videos will be for my fountain pen collection and also my mechanical pencil collections. So please stay tuned about these next 2 videos, and I can't wait to show these items to you. So again, thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to show support to my channel. So see you on the next video.